super smiles, keeping your teeth healthy and happy. Hey there, are you ready to learn how to keep your teeth super strong and your smile shining bright? Let's explore the importance of dental care and oral hygiene in a fun and easy way. Brushing power. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and before bed, with fluoride toothpaste. Brush all around your teeth and gums for 2 minutes each time to remove food particles and plaque. Flossing fun. Floss between your teeth once a day to clean away food and plaque that your toothbrush can't reach. Use gentle back and forth motions to clean between each tooth. Healthy eating. Eat lots of fruits, veggies, and dairy products like milk and cheese, which are good for your teeth. Try to limit sugary snacks and drinks, as they can cause cavities and damage your teeth. Dental checkups. Visit the dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. Your dentist can help keep your teeth and gums healthy and catch any problems early before they get worse. By following these simple tips and taking good care of your teeth, you'll have a super smile that lasts a lifetime. So let's get brushing, flossing, and smiling our way to healthy teeth and gums.